Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Fractal Bitcoin. Welcome to your daily Bitcoin news video. I'm Chris. This show's all about your future prosperity. We talk about Bitcoin. We also talk about the collapse of fiat currencies because that's a major thing that's happening right now, right? Let's get right into the Bitcoin price. Right now, 56,500. These are the daily candles you're looking at for this entire year, 2024, and you can see we're just hanging around 56, 57,000. September might be very boring, but we're this fall and for about the next 12 to 15 months, we're going to have an exciting bull run, although it doesn't seem very exciting now, but hang on. Actually, when it dips into the 50s like this, or even if it goes back into the 40s, it's a great time to stack sats. This is not financial advice. But yeah, suffering is optional, but 58K is inevitable. Yeah, on Noster, there's a hashtag, the 58K gang. And I don't know how 58K, we just always come back to 58K. I mean, not always, you know what I mean. But yeah, Bitcoin is down about 3.7%, about 4% this September thus far. And September is typically a red month. Look at this. This column right here is September. And so far this year, we're down a little. But over the past, many years, we've only had like 3 green years, and we've had 8. And now we're going to have 9 red Septembers. But look at October. Oh, yeah, baby. Here we go. October looks exciting. Let's see. I mean, this is just what has happened in the past. It doesn't mean it's going to happen again in the future for sure. But yeah, this is Bitcoin. Oh, wait. I wanted to, by popular demand, I want to ask my producer, Barry, here. Barry, what are we going to need to get above the all-time high of 74,000? In terms of Bitcoin, what are we going to need?
You're going to need a couple of horses or a couple of mules.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'm not quick enough on the trigger.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. But yeah, this is a live look at Bitcoin taking on the global world order. Oh, here he goes. Here goes Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Everybody's coming after Bitcoin, but Bitcoin doesn't give you know what. Look at this. That's a honey badger. And look, even though, you think you got it? No, you don't. All right, anyway, that's what's happening to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's hash rate hit a new all-time high recently. Yeah, this yellow line here, this is the hash rate. And hash rate hitting an all-time high is a very clear and reliable sign that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up following this. Because price follows the hash rate, apparently. That's what I've observed. That's what they tell me. But yeah, watch what they do, not what they say. Bitcoin power back to the people. Look at this. Switzerland's 4th largest bank, Zurich Cantonal Bank, has launched trading for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Watch what they do, not what they say. Right? Yeah, and companies have grown their Bitcoin holdings by 580% over the past 4 years. This is from River Financial. Yeah, the institutions are buying. I mean, look. And 2020 is really when it all started. That's when Michael Saylor got into Bitcoin and he started championing Bitcoin. And so, yeah, companies are getting in. I have something else to show you in a minute too. But Japan, this is very interesting news. Japan is to drop the maximum tax rate on Bitcoin and crypto from 55% to 20%. Yeah, and think about this. Countries that make it really difficult to deal with Bitcoin and crypto, countries that are going to tax you to death, guess what? People are going to do their crypto business in other countries. So it's almost going to be like a bidding war between countries. Countries are going to have to lower the rates or else you're just going to go somewhere else to do it, right? Very interesting dynamic. How is it going to play out? What do you think? Comment below.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Comment below. Yeah. And Mastercard, this is breaking news. Mastercard launches crypto card in Europe linked directly to your private wallet. Yeah, spend euros at 100 million merchants and pay with Bitcoin or crypto. This is Mastercard. This is big adoption news. This is big. You feel it? You feeling me? Yeah, and this is a report from the same River report from that I cited just before, but this is about, I thought this was fascinating, and I'm just going to scroll down here right to here because this shows you Bitcoin ownership distribution. I thought this was fascinating. You want to know who owns the 21 million? Actually, there's not. There's about 19.75 million Bitcoin in the world. Who owns all that? Well, first of all, let's start from the left. Satoshi owns, it says 968,000 Bitcoin. I thought he owned 1.1 million Bitcoin. Anyway, other is the purple here. Lost Bitcoin, it's estimated 3.7 million Bitcoin have been lost. Think about that. And that's this tan area right here. That's a big area. And then here, the biggest area you see, the beige area, is individuals. Oh, yeah. I love this. 11.97 million Bitcoin. So about 12 million Bitcoin out of all the Bitcoin are owned by just individuals. I love it. Now, businesses have, that's the light blue here. This is businesses. Funds and ETFs is the dark blue. They have a little more than businesses. Governments, 517,000 Bitcoin. And then to be mined is about 1.25 million Bitcoin. That's it. So my eyes were opened by this because I'm happy to see that individuals own the majority of Bitcoin. And the key is, speaking to all you individuals, including myself, don't sell your Bitcoin to governments or these other corporations and businesses. Anyway, public service announcement. Geez, hold on to your Bitcoin. Yeah, and Strike, this is news about Bolt 12. Apparently, Bolt 12 is a newer technology, and Strike now supports sending payments to Bolt 12 because Bolt 12 offers a revolutionary technology that enables a more private, versatile, and user-friendly way to send and receive sats over the Bitcoin Lightning Network. So Bolt 12 people are adopting that. Like I said, I don't really know what it is, but Strike is adopting it, and Strike is just doing great. And ZapRight is introducing point of sale. So ZapRight is an app. It's a platform where you can accept Bitcoin payments and I think other crypto payments and also fiat payments. So for instance, if you're looking for like a one-stop shop of how do I receive payments not only in fiat but in Bitcoin, ZapRight, that's what they do. And yeah, apparently they are introducing a point of sale. So now in your business, you can just walk around with your phone and sell stuff, and people you can right from your phone. People can pay with Bitcoin and other things. So ZapRight's awesome. Yeah, so subscribe while you're thinking about it, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, and let's get into a couple stories about fiat government nonsense for context, because Bitcoin solves these issues. First of all, the biggest scam in life. Were you ever curious what that was? Yeah, here it is: paying taxes on money you make, taxes on money you spend, and paying taxes on things you own that you already paid taxes on with already taxed money. Yeah, taxation is a scam. It's theft. It's a criminal cartel charging you money so that they won't mess with you. That's what taxes are, plain and simple. And here's a great one from FrogFriend17, who, if you're not following this account on Noster, it's great. History has proven if you let the man manage the money, bankers, there will be corruption. There will be theft of wealth of the people, and countries like El Salvador has proven Bitcoin fixes this. Every member of BRICS understands this. All of them, right? The BRICS countries are getting away from the bankers, right? And Bitcoin is the world's first real hard money because it cannot be controlled by one person or one small group of people like the WEF, the IMF, or the Fed. So the end of the bankers' power over the people, that's what Bitcoin is. The bankers' power over the people ends with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is freedom for countries and the people. And the people that learn about Bitcoin first will benefit from it the most. But Bitcoin is special. Even the last person to adopt it will benefit from it. So Bitcoin is the only thing we have to overcome these cartels and these central banks and everyone who's ripping us off. Bitcoin's the only answer. And this is this is from a day or two ago, but the market's wiped out $1 trillion from the U.S. stocks. So this is, and the talk of recession is getting louder and louder for good reason. Inflation is about to go through the roof. The recession is going to hit. Jobs are going down. And again, I'm not an economist, but this is what's happening. So we have to be ready for it, right? Yeah, and you don't hate fiat money enough, all right? We got to watch this video here. This is eye-opening.
I'm sorry. If you only want to work 4 hours, it's going to be harder for you to get a house. We busted our behinds. We had to bust our...
Hi, Whoopi. I'm Freddie. I run numbers on the internet, and I got to show you something. The minimum wage in 1980 was $3.10. It is now $7.25. The average salary was $12,500. It's now $59,000. And the median household income was $22,000, and now it's only $77,000 for a 3.5 times increase. However, rent was $243 on average. Now it is $1,900 for a 7.8 times increase. The median house price was $47,000. It is now $419,000. And the big one, college, was $2,300. It is now $30,000, 13 times more expensive. Our median household income, to feel like they did back then, for rent should be $171,000 for the family. And for college, it'd be equivalent to our family making $286,000. And to remind everyone, the median household income is $77,000. So Whoopi, with all due respect, I think millennials and Gen Zs have it at least 8 to 10 times harder than you all did.
Yeah, he's right. These are the numbers. This is the reality. The older generations have sold out the younger generations just so they can make more money off them. And that's what's happening. That's the macroeconomic reality. That's what's happening. These numbers are insane. These poor young kids growing up these days, my God, what are they going to do? Again, Bitcoin is basically our only way out. So I hope a lot of young people are getting into Bitcoin. The problem is a lot of them have already been brainwashed, right? By the media, by big tech, right? That Bitcoin's a scam and right, all that stuff they've been saying they said it for 15 years straight. And it was only 8 months ago that everything changed. All of a sudden, oh, Bitcoin's great. Bitcoin is good. Bitcoin, wow. What a scam. Yeah, and speaking of scams, Robinhood settles a lawsuit. They got to pay $3.9 million fine for blocking cryptocurrency withdrawals. That's what these platforms do. Coinbase does it too. Coinbase does a bunch of shenanigans. Like when a lot of trading happens, they'll just, we can't handle it. Really? So just beware. These platforms are not trustworthy. Any of them. That's why peer-to-peer is the best. And that's what Bitcoin can do. But here's Descartes in Britain. I think, therefore I am arrested. Oh, I love this. It's so funny, right? Dude, Britain is gone. Oh, Europe is gone. Bye-bye, gone. Wow. Insane. But Noster and Bitcoin are the answers. And look, here's Vitor. He's created the Amethyst app. It's an Android app for Noster. The Amethyst app is the one I used. But here, someone posted, this person posted about Citrine. Apparently, here's how to run Citrine's relay on your phone and allow other people to connect to it and download your post directly from your phone via Tor. Now, I'm showing you this because this is insane. If this works, which it does work, but if everyone starts doing this, that means when I post something, you're going to see it. Maybe you can get it right from my phone. Maybe we don't need centralized servers. Anyway, there's a lot more technically to it. I'm not pretending I know what this really is and how it really works. But my point is the world is moving toward decentralization, and we're going to be able to just share things and share value and share Bitcoin with each other. We're not going to have to go through centralized entities. And it's happening. These are the people building it. This is the tech being built. That's why I'm showing you this. It's fascinating. Yeah, and here's more Noster news. This dude apparently put up a billboard. Oh yeah, Noster billboard. What? This is awesome. Yeah, Noster is great. People don't understand it. Even I saw on Twitter and on Noster, I think Parker Lewis, who's an author, whose book I bought, and I met him at BitBlock Boom about 5 months ago, and he apparently was like bashing Noster and like championing Twitter, and it's like, really, dude? Like, what do you like? How about no, Scott? Yeah, weird, very weird. It's weird when like someone who's been in the Bitcoin space and sort of is respected in many ways, when they come out and say something like really bad about Noster, like sort of revealing the fact that they do not understand what Noster is, and they also do not understand what Twitter is. It's just weird. I mean, it is what it is, right? None of us is perfect. Maybe I hold some beliefs that you don't think are right. Okay, fine. I'm a dummy. I'm a big dummy. You want to know the biggest dummy? Right here. Yeah, so I'm here just trying to spark conversation and move us all toward truth and get us away from slavery, economic slavery. It'd be nice if we could get away from economic slavery. I'm just saying. But yeah, here, since I've started packaging my trash like this, my neighbors respect me. They say good morning with a smile and keep the music volume real low. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the way to put out your trash. And here, pretty sure I'm doing this right. Look at this woman. She's doing it right. My doctor said to spend 30 minutes a day on the treadmill. Oh, that's so funny. I love that. Was great. Potato chips, wine, and her phone. That's great. And here, this is so funny, right? This is the new Netflix movie, Cocaine. Great. Because Netflix and wokeism, right? It's insane. By the way, this is the meditation streams that me and my wife do twice a week. We just changed the name to Lightness Meditation from a different name. But anyway, can you meditate with us? We do it on Wednesday evenings here in the U.S. and Sunday mornings, late mornings in the U.S. So please subscribe to the channel, meditate with us. One of the best things you can do in the world today for yourself is to regulate your mind, to get control of your mind. You should have control of your mind. Your mind shouldn't have control over you. And that's what meditation does. We use a very simple technique. So if you're thinking, oh, I can't meditate, no, that's wrong. You can meditate. It's a very simple technique. Join us. I'll help you. If you have questions, ask me about meditation. I have way more experience with meditation than I do with Bitcoin or almost anything. The only thing I have more experience with is audio production because I'm an audio engineer. The second thing that I have the most experience with is actually meditation. I've been doing it since 2003, like very regularly. So anyway, here's our website, fractalbitcoin.com. You can find everything here. And also this link on the top says join our locals community. Join our locals community. This is it. We're growing a community. It's small and sort of uneventful for now. But yeah, if you want to join, it's free to join. And you can also support me that way too. You can like pay, I think it's $5 a month and whatever, but you don't have to. Whenever you want to support me, you can. You can always zap me on Noster, right? So that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. And I appreciate you. All you savages in the comments giving me support every day. And even when I was away, I was on vacation and you guys were like, where are you? So thank you for that. I really appreciate being on this journey with you towards, economic prosperity and not getting destroyed by cartels and fiat nonsense. So I appreciate that. I'm glad to be here with you. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. All right.